Welcome back, it's Friday. Have you ever noticed how your social media, YouTube or even online shopping seems to know exactly what you like? That's because of something called an algorithm. What is an algorithm? Imagine you go to the library and ask the librarian for a book recommendation. If you've borrowed lots of adventure books before, they'll suggest another exciting adventure story. Algorithms work the same way. They track what you watch, search for, or click on and recommend similar things. The good side of algorithms. Algorithms can be helpful because they help you to find content you enjoy faster, recommend new hobbies, shows or books that you might like, save you time by showing you things that match your interests. However, there are risks with algorithms. Filter bubbles. Algorithms can trap you in a bubble where you only see one type of content. This can stop you from discovering new ideas or seeing different viewpoints. Misinformation. Algorithms don't always check if something is true or false. If you watch a video with wrong information, such as political or influential content, the algorithm may suggest even more of the same content. Addictive content. Algorithms are designed to keep you scrolling, which can make it hard to stop, even when you really want to. So, here are some tips to stay smart online and stay in control. Mix up your searches. Try looking for different topics so algorithms doesn't always focus on just one thing. Check your sources. Don't believe everything you see online. Ask yourself, is this information trustworthy from this website or person? Take breaks. Algorithms can pull you in, but it's important to log off and spend offline time too. Adjust your settings. Many websites and apps let you control what content is recommended. Look for preferences or content settings to customize what you see. Talk to someone if you're unsure about what you see online. Talk to a parent, teacher, or guardian. Algorithms can be very powerful tools, but they don't always have your best interest at heart. By staying curious, asking questions, and knowing how they work, you can safely enjoy the best of what the internet offers. So next week, we will be breaking down a game called Roblox. This week's question, how aware are you of the potential dangers of Roblox, like inappropriate content, scams, or strangers trying to contact you? So until next week, be critical thinkers and stay safe online. Bye-bye.